Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So besties, today we are going to be stretching my hair and getting it ready for it for me to braid it. Okay, this is how I stretch my hair and they were able to braid it. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome to my space. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients, you're gonna love it. My name is naturally Jessie. Okay, so I have been suffering from hair loss, alopecia, and I'm on my journey of growing out my hair to a certain level. Okay, and my hair right now is so healthy, my front edges are coming back and I'm really happy about that. Okay love, so this tea I'm using right here, it's already in the channel. It's a mixture of fenugreek seed, rosemary, cloves and lavender. All right, and lavender, yes, and rose petals as well. So this is my hair before my hair can't cover like this. Okay, so right now I'm also adding my leave-in condition. I'm also going to be using flaxseed and amala powder because I did a treatment using flaxseed and amala powder, so it's already in the channel. Do watch, check it out. Yeah, so I'm going to be using it to apply on my hair. Why did I mix my flaxseed and my leave-in condition together? I just love the feeling it gave me, the coily feeling it gave me on my hair. So this, my hair is 4C, like 4C in general. Okay, it is a real 4C hair. Okay, so this is another way for me to stretch it out, because without stretching it out I won't be able to braid my hair well. So I'm just adding my oils, my DIY oil. Okay, it's already in the channel. Do check it out. I love this oil. I put it on my scalp. This is how I put oils on my scalp. I just use this, my applicator bottle, and make sure it penetrates my scalp. Then I'll take a little one, then massage it on my hair. So I massage my hair for a few minutes, and when I notice that the oil has absorbs on my hair, I leave my hair. All right, so this is what I'm doing. After this, I'm gonna be combing my hair and I'll taking you guys how I stretch my hair. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my hair grease. Okay, ever since I'm using this chamber 2000, I love it. Okay, I love it. Then mixing it with Duro Growth and also virgin hair fertilizer. Virgin hair fertilizer is an OG. Okay, so I mix these three together and apply it on my hair. I love how it seals my audio ingredients I use on my hair. Then it also always gives me this peppermint feeling, okay, on my scalp, this hotness on my scalp. Okay, I love that hotness as well. So that hotness helps in stimulating blood circulation on your hair. So if you've not used this chamber 2000 or this mixture of these three combination, try and use it. Your hair is going to love it. So this is me massaging my scalp. Okay, if you have a scalp massager, you can use that. I was not with my scalp massager close by, so that's why I'm using my hand to make sure I get all the ingredients and I get all the benefits on my hair. So I'm just flipping my hair out. I'm using this comb to comb it out. Okay, before, when I comb my hair, the floors of my house, okay, is always with my hair, but right now my hair shedding has been limited. Okay, yes, my hair shed, our hair shed, but it's not as massive as before. That one, you call that one massive shedding, but this one my hair shed on a normal. Okay, so this is how my 4C kinky hair, because my hair is kinky, 4C kinky hair looks like. Okay, it's so healthy. Before, the back of my hair, I had this I call it bald spot, but right now it has covered. So all the ingredients I have been using has been amazing on my hair. Okay, I love it, and I love the fact that I chose to do natural hair. Once I was relaxed, my hair always break. If I comb it, it's always breaking. I cut my hair and enter the natural space, and ever since then I am not going back to relaxed hair. So this is my hair in full afro. Okay, I am just playing right here, because when you see progress on your hair, you'll be happy about it, right? So right now I want to stretch my hair, so I part my hair in section, then I'll be stretching it out. I'm using the threading method because that is the best method ever. Okay, I stopped putting heat on my hair. Okay, ever since then, that was the best decision of my hair. So right here I'm going to use the repeat the same thing, because since I am going to be stretching my hair, so I repeat the same process, but this time around at the ending of my hair I use shea butter. Shea butter is going to help you to totally seal your hair. It's going to help you to soften your hair. Okay, this one I use a DIY shea butter using other natural herbs inside the shea butter. Okay, so after this I'm going to be taking my thread and thread it. Okay, normal threading. If you've never done threading before, you need to try threading your hair. It's the best way to stretch your hair. Like, your hair will be stretched. Someone will ask you, did you use heat on your hair? So I'm just feeling the length of my hair. All right, so I'm going to be stretching my hair with this thread. Just tie it around. This is another way also to grow your hair. Have you threaded your hair before? Like when I was young growing up, my mom always thread our hair with all this thread, and you have these African vibes. Okay, yeah, so you can see my hair is so kinky that you can see that that stuff right there. So I'm just going to use scissors to cut it out, because I don't need anything that'll be snatching my hair together. So I'm going to be threading my hair. After this, I'll show you guys the result later on. That is the next day. I carried this threading for like 2 days. Yeah, I threaded my hair and I carried it for like 2 days. After 2 days I loosed it, because that was when I was going to braid my hair, and my stylist was like asking me, did you put heat on your hair? I was like, no, it's just threading. Like, threading method is so good. Okay, if you're a 4C natural hair or any natural hair and you don't like using heat, because they'll always say put heat protectant to protect your hair. It does not protect your hair anything. So if you don't want to damage all your effort you have used on your hair, try threading method. So right here, as you can see, my hair is still out a little bit. So what I will do is just to cut a little, like remove the space where my hair is not there. Then this is how I'm going to leave this hair to dry out. Okay, it dry out like this, and this is 2 days later. All right, this is my hair after I have finished everything the previous day. This is my hair, and this is the next day. Okay, I use something to hold them together, because no one is sleeping and the rest. So I'm going to be losing it, because on this day I was going to braid my hair back in my small braid, the mini braid has really saved my life. Like, I don't use extension anytime, any day again. Like, extension is a no for me. So mini braids has really saved my life, and I am happy about it. So I am going to lose my hair. Make sure you be careful when losing your hair, so that you don't cut out the hair you have already struggled to grow. Yes, so I'm just going to use oil on my hands. Then I'm also going to divide them in little, then comb it out. Like, my hair is so healthy and so fluffy. Okay, if you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment. Have you tried natural threading before threading your natural hair without using heat? This is the best way, like a best way to stretch your natural hair. My hair is 4C kinky hair, so the shrinkage is always shrinkalized. Okay, so this is how I stretch my hair to look nice. Yeah, but I still love my shrinkage as well. So this is everything, and I'm going to comb it out to show you guys the after result. So this is the after result after combing it. I was really careful in combing out my hair. So my hair has not been this bouncy before. I was just trying to see how long the ends of my hair looks like. Okay, my hair has never been this bouncy, fluffy, full before. Okay, if you have seen if you're an OG, you know that I tinted my hair because I didn't love the hair. But right now I am not going to put anything that's going to damage my hair ever again. Yes, so this is how fluffy my hair is, like fluffy, really fluffy. Okay, I love the feeling of my hair. So I'm going to just tuck in my ends so that it does not snatch on my clothes and start getting these knots. Okay, so I'm gonna be making my hair and I'll show you guys in the next video what my braids looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. All right guys, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.